Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to draw floor plans of G+1 building. And also we will learn how to draw section and elevation of the same building. So let's get started. Here I have drawn a line plan of G+1 building. This is the line plan of ground floor and this is of the first floor. In this video, we will learn how to draw walls and we will also learn how to draw windows and doors with the help of blocks. And further, we will also learn how to draw the staircase. So let's get started. Here we have our living room of 5 by 4 meters. So with the help of line command, this one is 5 meters, the length is of 4 meters. Again 5 meters, then join this. You can also draw this rectangle by the rectangle command like this. For example, click on the dimension 5 meters by 4 meters. But this will be a single object and this rectangle is drawn by 4 different line objects. Again, we have a kitchen of 4.5 meters by 4 meters. This is our kitchen. We have bathroom of 2.1 meter by 1.2 meter and WC of 1.2 by 1.2 meters. So this is our bath and WC. Again, we have a bedroom of 4.5 meter by 4 meter and another master bedroom of 5 meters by 4 meters. And in this section, we are going to draw staircase. So this is basically the line plan. So to introduce wall, you can use an offset. Basically, let me tell you first about the external walls and the internal walls. Whenever we draw an external wall, it is of a bigger thickness than the internal wall. For example, we are going to draw the external walls of 0.3 meters and the internal walls of 0.15 meters. That is the half of external walls. So we will draw the walls with the offset command, which you can select from here or type OFF, enter. After that, select a line and enter the offset, that is 0.3 meters, and click enter like this. So drag the line outside like this. This will be our external wall. To join these lines, we can use Fillet Command from here. You can use space key to reuse the command, or you can select it from here again. And again like this. Now the internal walls. The internal wall has thickness of 0.15 meters. Therefore, taking offset for internal walls like this, 0.15, enter. like this. Again, the walls of bathroom and WC are of partition walls. Therefore, the thickness is also less than the internal walls. We will use the thickness of 0.1 meters. Taking offset of 0.1 like this and joining this with fillet. To erase this extra line here, we can use trim command. For that, type TR and double enter like this. Now, draw a staircase. The landing of staircase for internal building should be at least of 1 meter. So, usually the floor to floor height is of 3 meters. For that, we will need the tread of 0.25 meter and riser of 0.15 meter. Therefore, first we will draw the landing here. The landing should be of 1 meter at least. So, select the line command. Don't click here, just drag your mouse and enter 1 on your keyboard. As you can see, we have drawn the landing of 1 meter here. Now, to draw the steps, that is to draw the treads, you can use the offset command. The treads are of 0.25 meters. Therefore, enter 0.25 like this. There will be 9 treads in a single flight. Again, use the trim command here. So our stairs are ready. This is all about external wall, internal wall, partition walls, and the stairs.